Good morning students. Today is 8th Feb and thought of the week is to be the best, you must be able to handle the worst. Children, we have started chapter 11 statistics, and in the previous video we have seen example of a subdivided bar graph. There we have compared the two informations which are given in the data form, and that information of two or more constituents which is shown by a parts of in a single bar. So here now we will start practice set 11.2. So children, you have to open your textbook page number 71 and observe the following bar graph and answer the questions. So here the graph is given in the textbook. On x-axis women's name are given, and on y-axis savings in rupees are given. Okay, so here first of all we have to mark x-axis and y-axis, and this is 0, that is origin of the intersection of two axes. Now the first bar is of whose name it is Savita, then Saroj, then Varsha, then Megha and Vaishali. The name of women are given and their savings in rupees it is given. So from 0 to the first bar, that is 1 centimeter, that is 200, then 400, then 600, 800 and 1000. So what is the difference here from 0 to first line, that is first bar 1 centimeter, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 200 rupees. That's why we have taken a scale on y-axis as 1 centimeter is equal to rupees 200. Now here we have to show two boxes where we can show these two parts, that is savings in April and savings in March. So the information about April and March is given, and we have to show this both the information in a single bar. That's why the name of this graph is called as subdivided bar graph. Okay, so first of all let's see the question number 1. State the type of the graph. So which type of graph it is? Answer 1. Answer is subdivided bar graph. Which type of graph it is? Subdivided bar graph. Now let's come towards question number 2. How much is the savings of Vaishali in the month of April? So Vaishali, the bar of Vaishali it is given here. So how much total saving is given in the month of April. Now April means the dark color, that is blue color, that is the saving of April. So how much saving is of Vaishali in the month of April? So let's see. Savings of Vaishali in the month of April is rupees 600. So you can observe here in the graph, this blue color is the saving in April, and see the bar of Vaishali, and where it is on 600 rupees. So saving is 600 rupees. Now second question. How much is the total of savings of Saroj in the months of March and April? Now savings of Saroj, total saving of Saroj we have to find in both the months March and April. So let's see. First of all we have to do the total. The total saving of Saroj in the month of March and April is 800. See the information how it is 800. So let's see, where is Saroj bar? Yes, this is the bar of Saroj names. Here it is 400 in the month of April, and above that up to 800, that is again 400. So 400 in the month of April and 400 in the month of March. So total saving is what? 800. That's why its third answer is what? The third answer of this exercise of question is the total savings of Saroj in the month of March and April is rupees 800. And now let's see the fourth question. How much more is the total saving of Savita than the total savings of Megha? So first of all we will find the total saving of Savita and then total saving of Megha and do the difference. Whatever difference comes, let's see. So first of all write down the answer. Total savings of Savita is rupees 1000 and total saving of Megha is rupees 500. Children, here you have to observe the graph. see textbook page number 71 and simultaneously you have to observe the graph while writing the answer. So total saving of Savita is rupees 1000. Total saving of Megha is rupees 500. So what is the difference in saving? Difference in saving is rupees 1000 minus rupees 500. So what is the answer? 500 rupees is the difference. This difference is the savings. Savita's total saving is 500 rupees more than the total saving of Megha. Okay. So in this way you have to write down the answer. Now turn towards the question number 5. Question number 5 is, whose savings in the month of April is the least? See the graph. In the month of April means the blue color saving. So blue color is, whose saving is the month of April is the least? Yes. Are you observing in the graph? Yes. Anyone? Yes. Megha. Megha. This bar is saying the least saving. That's why whose saving in the month of April is the least? Let's check the answer. Yes. Megha's saving is the least in the month of April. In this way, by observing the graph, you have to write down the answer of those questions. First of all, what you will do? You will paste, you will prepare, you will draw the graph on a graph paper and paste it, and below it you will write down question first and then answer simultaneously. First question, then answer. Then second question and then second answer. In this way you have to write down question and answer both. Now let's see page number 72. Take out page number 72, children, and now practice set 11.2, question number 2. The number of boys and girls in standard 5th to standard 8th in a ZP school is given in the timetable, in this table. Draw a subdivided bar graph to show the data. Now for each question you have to draw the subdivided bar graph. So first of all, that is we have to draw this table. This is the question part. This table is your question part and this table is your solution part. After drawing this solution table, then you have to switch on towards the graph paper. So first of all, I will explain you how to write down this table, draw this table completely in the solution part. First of all, what scale is given? Scale on y-axis is given as 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. Now see what is the information given. Standards are given 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th, and boys, number of boys and number of girls are given. Now number of boys in 5th standard is 34 and girls is 17. Number of boys in 6th standard is 26 and girls are 14. Number of boys in 7th standard is 21 and girls are 14. Number of boys in 8th standard is 25 and girls are 20. So first of all we have to do the total of boys and girls in each standard. So that is the solution part. In solution part again you have to draw the table, show standard 5th, 6th, 7th and 8th. Write down number of boys in every section and girls also in each class, not section, it is a class. And now do the total of 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard. So 5th standard total is what? The sum 34 plus 17 is what? 51. And 26 and 14 is what? 40. 21 and 14 is what? 35. 25 and 20 is what? 45. Now this is the solution part. And now what you will do? You will take out your graph paper and on x-axis you will write down the standard, that is 5th standard, 6th standard, 7th standard and 8th standard in this way. And what is the scale you have to take? Scale on y-axis is 1 centimeter is equal to 10 students. That is number of students we have to take on y-axis. So on this y-axis you will write down the number of the students. So that graph I will tell you in the next video. But first of all what you have to do? You have to draw this table in question part and then solution, and in your copy leave some space for pasting the graph paper. Okay? Leave some space, that is 1 page or half of the page you can leave for this question, question number 2. And now we will start the third question in a similar way, and then the third question graph also we will see in the next video. Okay. Now third question. Third question is, in the following table, number of trees planted in the year 2016 and 2017 in 4 towns is given. Show the data with the help of a subdivided bar graph. Again page number 72. This table is given here. Year and town or village it is given. So the first town or village name is Karjat, then Vadgaon, then Shivapur, and then Khandala. Now the years are given 2016 and 2017. So here Karjat, in 2016 the number of trees planted in Karjat is 150 in 2016 and 200 trees in 2017. In Vadgaon 250 trees are planted in 2016 and 300 trees are planted in 2017. In Shivapur 200 trees are planted in 2016 and 250 trees are planted in 2017. In Khandala 100 trees are planted in 2016 and 150 trees are planted in 2017. In this way you have to prepare a solution table, and there you have to show the total of both the years in Karjat, in Vadgaon, in Shivapur and in Khandala. So total of Karjat village is what? Number of trees planted, total trees are planted in Karjat is 350. 150 plus 200 is 350. In Vadgaon 250 plus 300 is 550. In Shivapur 200 plus 250 is 450. In Khandala 100 plus 150 is 250. So this part also you will draw this solution table also. First you will draw the question table and then solution table, and on right side leave one page for pasting the graph. The graph we will do in the next video, children. And now similar way, now I will explain you the fourth question also. Here in the following table, data of the transport means used by students in 8th standard for commutation between home and school is given. Draw a subdivided bar diagram to show the data. Scale on y-axis is given as 1 centimeter is equal to 500 students. Now the question table you have to draw as it is, and in answer table what you have to add? You have to add over the total, that is data of transport means used by students, means students where they are going from home to school by bicycle, by bus and auto, and on foot. So total students, here it is in Python how many students are going? That is 5000 students. In Yola 1500, 500 and 1000, total is 3000. And then here 1250, then 500 and then 500, that is 2250. So here one by one on foot how many students are going? Then bus and auto 750, then cycle, then 300 and 3250 in Python. So total we have to write down here. This is the solution part of the table, and on right side you have to paste the graph. Now in the next video we will see practice set 11.2 question number 2, question number 3 and question number 4 on a graph paper. Is it, children? So be ready with the graph paper, and your pencil must be sharp, and take a scale, then eraser also. Okay, and the textbook must be open, that is page number 72. Okay.